Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Homeopathy World. I am Dr. Samina and today we are going to discuss over a very important question that we all want the answer for is, can homeopathic doctors sell homeopathic medicines? So before getting into the whole question, we have to understand what do you mean by selling homeopathic medicines, or what do you mean by homeopathic doctors who sell homeopathic medicines. So selling homeopathic medicines means giving over the counter medicines like a pharmacy, or when a person comes to you and asks for Lycopodium 30 and you give him that, or if somebody asks for Rauwolfia mother tincture and you dispense that particular medicine for him over the counter without taking any case or without registering him as a patient. So this is known as selling homeopathic medicines or giving homeopathic medicines over the counter. So homeopathic doctors, are we supposed to sell homeopathic medicines? Yes or no? This is such a big dilemma and there is confusion about this. So I really want to know what is your opinion on this particular matter, and whatever your opinion is, let me know in the comment section below, and I want to know genuinely what you think or what your opinion is. And also like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification on my latest updates. But according to Ayush, we are not supposed to sell homeopathic medicines, or basically homeopathic doctors are barred from selling homeopathic medicines from their clinic premises. So they are only supposed to dispense medicine to their patients alone, which should be included in their treatment plan. So why did this rule come out, or why it came to notice? So this came to notice because of some of the complaints that said that some of the homeopathic physicians were doing commercialization of the homeopathic medicines, or were influencing the sale of some of the homeopathic remedies or some of the homeopathic companies or brands or branded products. Okay, so various pharmacists had these type of spots or stations for homeopathic consultants where they used to come at a particular time and prescribe medicine for free to the patients whoever is coming to that particular pharmacy. So they used to prescribe all these branded medicines and the sale of these branded medicine increased. According to authorities, the chemist shops are basically commercial places and their duty is to sell the medicine, while the doctor's duty is to prescribe. So these two things have to be done in different premises. So they cannot be combined together in order to increase or influence the sale of any company or any brand. However, this drastically decreased the sale of homeopathic medicines, especially the branded or company made medicines. But the positive outcome of this particular rule was that some of the non-qualified people who were dispensing homeopathic medicines without any legal degrees came to notice. So now, if you want to know who is eligible to practice homeopathy and who is eligible to open a homeopathic pharmacy or to start a homeopathic pharmacy, you have to watch my other video which gives in detail explanation of what is the requirement or license that is required to run a homeopathic pharmacy and to run a homeopathic clinic. So please go to that video and watch the video. The link for that video will be on the I button, which is on the right side of your screen. And also please do check out my other videos from this series. According to me, my opinion is that it is a good thing and it will promote the quality of homeopathic medicines, and it will ensure that homeopathic medicines are given to genuine patients only and not over the counter, because as you all know that homeopathic medicines have been used rashly with very little knowledge or by common people. By using them over the counters, it is very risky to use homeopathic medicines, especially in the potency of 1m 10m by regular people or laymen who does not have any knowledge or have very little knowledge about homeopathy should not be able to take medicines over the counter. This particular rule ensures that the patient is enrolled under a homeopathic physician to make sure that he is taking good quality medicine from a good experienced physician and is not self-prescribing. So according to me, this is a good thing and it will bring about good changes in the field of homeopathy. Please let me know about your opinion also, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification on my latest updates. Thank you so much.